RainFlo underground systems feature selected premium components for optimal performance and includes water storage, filtration, pumping, and hardware. Simply install the components and connections with self-supplied PVC. The ultra-high-strength groundwater stable tanks are available in 400 to 6,800 gallons. Optional vehicle loading lids are also available. The self-cleaning cascade-style filters have a 95% water yield, space-saving design, and require minimal maintenance. Depending on the tank size, each system includes either a submersible multi-stage pump or an automatic flow inducer pump. An automatic pump controller delivers the amount of water you need when and where you need it. The floating filter ensures the pump extracts the highest quality oxygenated water from the tank. The screen filter protects the pump and demand-side systems by filtering out sediment. For complete underground rainwater collection, Rain Harvest Systems is the right partner for your project.